High performance blockchain has been one of the projects which has got a lot of attention, especially it's also called as EOS of China. That's like a huge title for high performance blockchain. And we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about whether it's worth investing into high performance blockchain. Once again, everything covered here, it's just my personal opinion, my research. None of them is a financial or investment advice. Let's go ahead and find out. So high performance blockchain, what exactly this is? So this is the very first blockchain which is a combination of hardware, chips and software. So one of the biggest problem that they are trying to solve is the scalability issue, the speed issue. Now, you've already seen the blockchains like Zilliqa, Credits, which are promising about 1 million transactions per second. This is similar what high performance blockchain is also trying to do. So it's capable of processing millions of transactions per second. HPP is going to be the first company to utilize the software with accelerated hardware to drastically improve the speed of data transfer and access with capability of 1 million transactions per second. So what's unique is the software and the hardware architecture, the combination of both, because this is something I don't remember any blockchain using a hardware chips also to solve that problem, to scale, to reach that level. But that's not the unique point, one of the very unique point that I found about high performance blockchain is not the architecture, but really this partnership which is here, which is UnionPay and high performance blockchain. Now, why is that important? Of course, we're going to talk about the other aspects as well, but this UnionPay Smart and high performance blockchain partnership is really important, because it appears that the big driver in the creation of the HPP platform may have come from the big data giant UnionPay Smart. UnionPay Smart is even bigger. If you haven't heard of UnionPay before, they can be thought of as the Visa and the MasterCard of China, except they are bigger than both of these companies combined. Now, I'm not really sure how far is that true. But one thing that I do know is that China has its own version of everything, of Google, of Facebook, and so probably they have their own version of Visa and MasterCard as well, which is called UnionPay. And so HPP, High Performance Blockchain, has confirmed their partnership with UnionPay Smart in their white paper. And so this is got a lot of attention from people. So when it got listed on the coin market, this got listed at about $2, and then just about 10 days it went to about $14, $13, and then again it sliced back. So whether it's a good time to buy high performance blockchain, I do think so. It's a good time because it's almost 80% down, and so it could very well be a long-term hold if these partnerships are genuine. So handling 80% of China's banking transaction data, that is done by UnionPay. There's a huge incentives for the UnionPay Smart to improve their data security and value using blockchain technology. So I think this is one of the partnership which has got a lot of attention for high performance blockchain for sure. Looking at the other aspects of high performance blockchain, so if you're holding high performance blockchain, please make a note that as per their roadmap, they are launching their mainnet in Q2. That is, this month should be the end of Q2. Plans to launch their mainnet. Now, as per their other websites, because currently the one that you're holding is ERC20 tokens that can be found out on Etherscan, ERC20 token HPB. So they are launching their mainnet in 36 days from now. Again, this information is not on their official website. This is on cryptocal.com. Is something that I would recommend you to keep checking cryptocal.com, because a lot of events are published here. So coming back to the mainnet launch 36 days from now, 30th of June, I guess 30th of June is the date for the mainnet launch. They haven't confirmed as to what exchanges are you going to be keeping your ERC20 tokens right now to help you migrate from ERC20 token to the mainnet token. And there's no such announcement as yet about the mainnet on their official website. And so this guy, talking about the UnionPay, he is also so Xiaoming Wang, who is the founder and CEO. He was also the co-founder at UnionPay Smart, and that is why I think this partnership was possible between High Performance Blockchain and UnionPay Smart. Of course, they have other partnerships as well. For example, NEO is also an advisor and investor. So that's interesting because NEO itself is called the Ethereum of China, and then you have High Performance Blockchain being called as US of China. Chinese are very creative, I would say. I mean, a lot of good projects that you see out there are from China. So very, very interesting to see where it is heading, High Performance, from here. The Telegram group has got about 6,471 members. Not a huge number though, but overall it has got a lot of attention, guys. So by 2019 they are going to have the final version out of High Performance Blockchain, and they have other partnerships as well. So they are trading on, where are they trading? They are trading on KuCoin. Interestingly, they are not trading on Binance, which I was surprised because Binance is also a Chinese exchange. But they are trading on BuyBox and KuCoin. So what do you think about High Performance Blockchain? Do you already hold High Performance Blockchain? What is it that you are so excited about High Performance Blockchain? And if you don't hold, how did you find the project? Leave your opinion in the comment box below. I do think it's a strong project considering the partnership that they have, considering they are using a different kind of architecture, which is a combination of hardware and software. But again, everything still needs to be proved and tested. And possibly by the end of June, once they launch their mainnet, the technicality of this, or maybe technical specifications, will be more clearer, I guess, then once they launch their mainnet. But would love to hear from you what you think about the High Performance Blockchain. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like, share, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Take care then.